So today I'll be talking about how to create your own YouTube channel. For people that are asking me, like a lot of people have been asking me, like, how can I upload video on YouTube? How can I do this one? How can I do this one? So today I'll be talking about how you can do it. So the first thing you're going to do is go straight down to your YouTube app, like your normal YouTube on what's it called now? On your phone, like this YouTube, we have YouTube Music, YouTube, all of them. But you go to the normal YouTube app, not the YouTube Music, not YouTube Go, not YouTube Studio, and all of them. So I'll be talking about the usage of all other apps, like all apps that is related to YouTube. But this one now, this is the YouTube, like this is a normal interface of YouTube on your phone. So you go straight to this place, this place that shows your email, like email picture, like this place. So I'll be using this email address now. Is my business email address, like no channel on it. So the first step is to create a YouTube channel. It's very simple, like it's free of charge. So just type on that your channel. Like I don't have any channel. Just tap on, like once you have email, like you have email on your phone, it will automatically assume that you have challenge. Just log in. Like if you haven't logged into your email, log in into YouTube with your email address. So the email will be there automatically. So it will be here like your channel, no subscriber. Like no subscriber, no subscribe. So if you want to create a video, all you have to do is like this page now. Look at it, no subscriber. So RDB you have subscriber, it will be there. So all you have to do is like you click on create video, this place, create video. So you click on it. Let's say I want to upload any YouTube videos. Like you now see this one, create short video. Short videos are not like videos are not more than 2 minutes. 2 minutes is like 60, like no, is it 2 minutes or 1 minute? Like 60 seconds. You grab like 60 seconds video. Those are very, very short, like straight to the point. And this upload the video is like any video that is, it can be long, it can be more than 1 minute, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Even some videos on YouTube that are up to like 6 hours and 7 hours. So you can upload as many videos as possible. You grab. So this one go live. You can see some video, like you see live classes on YouTube now. So that one you can easily go live here, but you need some criteria. You need to follow some criteria. Like you need to get to some place before you can do live videos on your channel. Like I think there's some subscriber that you need to get before you can be able to go live on your channel. You grab. Then to upload let's test one now. Let's say I want to upload a video. How am I going to do it? So I will click on this plus button that is here. This place plus button that is here. So click on it to tell me that do I want to create a short or upload a video. So let's say I want to upload a video, then it will pop up my video, like the videos on my gallery. So let's say I want to use this video, like this video for example. So I'll just upload it like this.
Oh, well, good day, everyone. So
So
today,
I will pause it. I don't want to video to play. Then I will create next. So this is the video already. Then I will now put the title, like the title of the video, like this one now is how to use the autosave app autosave app on your phone. So now then this is the description about what the video is all about, like the this video blah 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 blah. Just put some description. You can write it down or you copy and paste it for somewhere you grab. So then you put public, like always make it public if you want everybody to see it. Like me, this video is for my premium student, like people that pay for my automation you grab. So this one, put it private. I don't want it to be public. Then alibi channel to tell you that is this video for kids or it's not for kids you grab. So you put it there, then you move on. So that's everything. Then you click on next. Like once you put in your description, you put in your title, you click on next like this. Then exactly this is what I'm talking about. Like is it for kids like people that are below 18 years to the graph. So you put yes, it's for kids. If that's the case, then yeah, you put no, it's not made for kids. Then you upload. But yeah, I don't want to upload the video, or let's say I even want to upload it. Let me try it for once now. You see what I'm trying to say. So the video is uploading your video. Like once it has uploaded, I'm going to show you. Let me pause this video now. Now I guess the video has been uploaded now. Let me try to refresh my app now. Like uploaded your video. You can see videos. Now this is how it will display, like how to use autosave app. You can see this one. It's just private video. Nobody can see it yet except if I share the links to them. It's a private video you grab. So then if you want to make it public, I showed you the other way, like you can go about showing it to public and direct. So I think that is just the simplest way you can create the channel, then upload your videos on YouTube. So this one can also save you the, like maybe you have several videos on your phone and you want to keep for lifetime access or something. You can also upload it to a channel, you make it private and you move on. You can delete it on your phone. You can easily download it back from your channel you grab. So all you have to do is copy the link. If you don't know about how to download YouTube videos to your gallery, check my videos on YouTube. Like I think I have uploaded a video before on how to upload your video. All you have to do is to copy the link, then paste it somewhere and you download it. So if you want to know more about it, check my video. Like I'm going to put the video in the description of the video on YouTube. I'm going to upload this video on YouTube so that it will be easier for people to understand. You grab.